Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Righteous Blueberry Yuzu Kombucha. This is basically a sorbet that you can get. I got this at the local grocery stores on sale. As you can see, it's gluten-free, dairy-free as well. It's right there. And it's kind of hard print, but that's what it says right there. Here's the nutrient panel. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. And the ingredients, it's kind of hard to see, but it's basically... I'll try to read it out. So it's got blueberries, some cane syrup in there as well, so just be aware of that. But yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so there it is. Like I said, I got it on sale, so let's do a quick taste test. Taste-wise, it's pretty good. It's got a lot of fruit flavor to it. Yeah, it's got a lot of fruit flavor, more like the berries. You don't really taste yuzu much, and I barely taste the kombucha at all. So, not bad. Go definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.